honey looks simple, but at industrial scale, nothing about it is simple. This isn't just honey with heat. This is precision food manufacturing. Today we're going inside a modern...
Every batch of hot honey begins in a controlled food-grade environment. Before production starts, the facility is prepared under strict hygiene protocols. Workers sanitize, equipment is sealed, and every surface meets food safety standards. This level of control ensures consistency, safety, and repeatable flavor. Nothing enters production without approval.
Raw honey arrives in sealed food-grade drums. Each shipment is inspected for purity, moisture level, and clarity. Samples are tested before the honey is approved for processing. Only honey that meets strict quality benchmarks moves forward. Every drum is logged, tracked, and verified. This is where hot honey becomes hot honey. Dried chili peppers are measured and introduced into liquefied honey. Automated systems control how much heat enters each batch. Time and temperature are managed carefully to balance sweetness with spice. After infusion, the honey is filtered. This removes excess chili solids while preserving heat and flavor. Multiple filtration stages refine texture until it's smooth and clean. The result is clear, consistent hot honey.
Once filtration is complete, the honey is slowly cooled. Cooling stabilizes flavor and locks in heat intensity. Gentle agitation keeps the honey uniform during temperature reduction. This step ensures shelf stability and consistency.
Before bottling, samples are tested again. Color, viscosity, spice level, and pH are verified. Only approved batches are cleared for bottling. Quality control ensures every bottle tastes the same.
This batch looks good.
Yes, viscosity is within specs.
Before bottling, samples are tested again. Color, viscosity, spice level, and pH are verified. Only approved batches are cleared for bottling. Quality control ensures every bottle tastes the same.
Approved hot honey moves to the bottling line. Glass bottles are filled with precise volume control. Caps are sealed, checked, and verified for leaks. Every bottle is identical in weight and fill level. Finished cartons are palletized and wrapped. Pallets move into storage before being loaded onto delivery trucks. From here, hot honey ships nationwide. From raw honey to finished product, this is how hot honey is made at scale.